In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form in Card.co. If you've ever wanted a streamlined way to allow visitors to reach out to you through your card site, then this tutorial is just what you need. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged in and have the page you want to edit open. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon. It's subtle but hard to miss. This is your key to adding new elements to your page, so go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked the plus icon, you'll see a range of options appear. What we're interested in today is the form option. A quick note before you proceed. Adding forms is a feature available only for Pro users of Card, so make sure your account has Pro access. Once you've selected the form option, a new form automatically appears on your page alongside a Properties panel on the left-hand side. The beauty of Card is in its simplicity and flexibility, so feel free to click and drag the form to your desired position on the page. This ensures your contact form precisely fits into the design and flow of your site. Now, let's take a closer look at that Properties panel. This is where you can customize and configure your form. For our tutorial, we're focusing on setting up a contact form. You'll notice an option to specify a recipient email. This is useful if you want the emails from this form to be sent somewhere other than your default Card account email. There's also a handy option to filter messages, which helps reduce spam by filtering out common unwanted content. As you scroll further down the Properties panel, there's another important feature to set: the on-completion action. Here you decide what happens once someone submits a form. You can choose to display a thank you message, redirect them to a different URL, run some custom code, or even do nothing. For simplicity, let's set ours to display a friendly message, thanking the user for their input. Continuing to explore the options, you'll see additional settings such as enabling autofocus on the form, protecting your form submission with reCAPTCHA to fend off spam bots, collecting UTM parameters for marketing insights, exporting variables, and enabling debug mode for troubleshooting. These features are entirely optional, so choose what best suits your needs and objectives. Finally, customize the form's appearance to match your site's design by tweaking the layout and button styles. You can even add animations for a bit of flair. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, congratulate yourself. You've successfully added a contact form to your Card page, and that, folks, is all there is to it. Setting up a contact form in Card.co is straightforward. And now your visitors have an easy way to get in touch with you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.